All right, all right. I drove all night, and here I am in Manhattan. So I'm going to do a quick early morning meeting, and because I don't know if I'm going to still be awake by the time the market opens. So what we're looking at right here is the ES is ripping, and it's up 35 points, and it's 8 o'clock right now. So we still have an hour. It could turn around and come back down. But if we jump over to the SPX, we we have that hammer right there, and breaking that hammer, it should move up. So we're making a higher low right here, which means we could be entering a consolidation. We would be convinced that the market is moving up if we break this high of the 429.97, and that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a break of that high of the 429.97. So we're going to open up 90, probably around 400. So yeah, we're definitely testing that big boy. We may turn around and just close that gap today. But even if we do that, still puts in a lower high. That just a consolidation demonstrates a consolidation right there. So we're going to have to watch that. Could be a crazy day. Crazy day as far as a rip up. If we look at the 10-year, which is supporting the move, the 10-year, which opens in about 3 minutes, has come down pretty aggressively, and it's at 1549 right now. So if that continues its march down, then it's going to support that move up in the market. And this feels like a divergence. I mean, we have a higher high here, and this high is higher, but it's not as aggressive as this right here. So it may support that pullback. I'm still looking for another correction. So that's it. Just watch the market. I mean, that breaking that high, that's a good entry on the SPX. If you trade the SPX, and my free folk friends normally do. On the 60-minute, I mean, we're just going to open up way up here, man. I wouldn't be surprised if we close that gap today. I don't know. I'm looking for a sell-off. Not that I don't know. I mean, what I said is what it is. The statement stands for itself. But it's interesting. Could be entering a correction. And as far as news, sorry about that. I'm working with fewer monitors today. Stopped off in the city until I get up to the mountain house. We get some retail sales on Friday. That's all that's really happened. Next week it's just about earnings. And this is earnings season, so it's going to affect the manner in which the market trades. So there's really nothing that we need to look at, really, news-wise. So that's it. Just keep your eyes open. Everybody remember to stay calm, cool, and trade in peace.